In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification for Google Workspace security, 5 minutes. Two-step verification, also called 2SV or 2FA, adds a second check when someone signs in, which dramatically reduces account takeovers. In this quick walkthrough, we'll turn on the setting that lets your users enable 2SV on their own, keep enforcement off for now, and save the change. Start by opening a browser and going to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com. Sign in with an administrator account that has permission to change security settings. If you use multiple admin accounts, make sure you're in the right one for the domain you want to manage. Once you're on the admin console homepage, look for security on the left-hand menu or the main dashboard and select it. This section controls the foundational protections for your organization. Inside security, choose authentication. This is where sign-in methods and policies are organized, so it's the place to manage two-step verification. Next, open the two-step verification settings. You'll land on a policy page for your organization. Here, enable the option that allows users to turn on two-step verification. Turning this on doesn't force anyone yet. It simply gives people permission to add that extra layer of security to their own accounts. If you manage multiple organizational units, verify the selector at the top so you're adjusting the intended part of your directory. Below that, find enforcement and set it to off. With enforcement off, users can opt in at their own pace, which is ideal if you're introducing 2SV for the first time. You can always return here later to enforce it once you've communicated with your team and confirmed that everyone is ready. When you're satisfied with the setting, click Save to apply the change. It can take a few minutes to propagate across your domain, so give it a little time. After it's active, users can go to their Google account security settings to set up 2SV using methods such as Google Prompts, an authenticator app, or a physical security key. That's it. A few tips as you roll this out: let your users know what's changing and when, recommend they add backup verification methods so they don't get locked out, and consider a pilot group to gather feedback before enforcing across the board. Keep an eye on the admin console's security reports to monitor adoption. Thanks for watching, and you're now set up to allow two-step verification in Google Workspace.